Some notes, take care about them. Number one, polynomials functions have no asymptotes. Have no asymptotes because they have no fractions. Rational functions have three types of asymptotes. Rational, rational. You can find the slant asymptote in the rational function. In the rational function, if the highest power of the numerator is greater than the highest power of the denominator. The horizontal asymptote may cut the graph, but the vertical asymptote never cuts the graph, and this can be shown in the next graph. Example, write down the equations of all asymptotes of the following graph. Have a look. You can see that you have two vertical asymptotes. One of them is x equals 1. It's a vertical asymptote, like that. The other one is x equals minus 5, vertical asymptote. So we may have two vertical asymptotes. You can have also a horizontal asymptote, which is at y equals 3, horizontal asymptote. You can see that your curve doesn't touch each, but we have a note telling you that the horizontal asymptote may touch the curve, but the vertical never touches the curve. The vertical never touches the curve. In this one, we don't have any slant asymptote. Let's have a look. This curve is getting closer to the asymptote. The equation of the vertical asymptotes are x equals 1 and x equals minus 5. The equation of the horizontal asymptote is y equals 3. And there is no slant asymptote. According to this curve, you can see if the limit when x approaches to x equals minus 5, our curve is going to infinity. And when the curve is getting closer to minus infinity, our curve is getting closer to 3. Getting closer to 3. It's clear here also. When your curve is going to a plus infinity, your curve is getting closer to 3. And when your curve is getting closer to x equals 1, which is the vertical asymptote, your curve is going to plus infinity. And here you can see that when your curve is getting closer to x equals minus 5, the vertical asymptote, your branch is going to minus infinity. And here, when your curve is getting closer to x equals 1, the curve is going to minus infinity. How many branches we have in this graph? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 infinity branches. Thank you for listening. Good luck for you all. I hope you all got the lesson. If you have any question, you can comment it down below and wait for me with the next lesson, studying variations of functions by using graphs and tables. Regards, Teacher Iman Al Khaldi.